Welcome to the MillionAlgo Roadmap and Goal Settings, your ultimate guide to trading success. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced trader, this roadmap is crafted to help you master the art of trading, step by step. We begin with the fundamentals. Goal 1 is about laying the groundwork for your trading journey. Here's what you'll achieve: setting up your trading platform, understanding key tools, and getting familiar with the basics of the market. Next, we equip you with essential resources and tools. Goal 2 will ensure you have everything you need to trade like a pro, including a solid understanding of the terms, strategies, and platforms that will power your success. With the tools in place, it's time to dive deeper. Goal 3 focuses on expanding your knowledge base, helping you understand market dynamics, trading principles, and effective strategies that can lead you to success. Now, the real magic begins. In Goal 4, we introduce advanced indicators and strategies tailored for consistent success. You'll learn how to use the MillionAlgo indicators to make informed trading decisions and refine your approach to the markets. Practice makes perfect. In Goal 5, you'll put your knowledge to the test. This phase is all about refining your skills, backtesting strategies, and gaining real-world experience in demo accounts before you trade with real money. Finally, in Goal 6, we take everything you've learned and put it into action. The live trade phase allows you to trade in real time with confidence, applying all your skills and strategies in the live markets. Are you ready to start your trading journey? Follow the MillionAlgo roadmap and achieve your trading goals, one step at a time. Subscribe now and take the first step toward financial freedom. By joining the MillionAlgo guide and following the goal-setting roadmap, you'll unlock a structured syllabus designed to guide you step by step toward trading success. This roadmap serves as a blueprint, as depicted in the picture shown. Each goal is broken down into actionable steps, and every step comes with a checkbox. Once all steps for a goal are checked, the checkbox for that goal will also be marked complete. This simple system helps you stay organized and focused. While it may seem minor, the checkboxes are a crucial element. They ensure you're tracking your progress and staying accountable on your trading journey. Remember, progress builds confidence, and confidence fuels success.